Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the power key button here to the scanner, and now I can unlock the device with my fingerprint. Now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with it and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Just first 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 4. Yeah, that works fast because unfortunately I have set it up also in the face unlock, so that's why it tried to recognize the face and after that just to recognize the fingerprint. So the fingerprint scanner works here so fast, so it works normally. That's the good result for the fingerprint. I just simple touch the scanner just to unlock the device. As you can see, I'm not pressing it. So I suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the fingerprint is less secure than the face unlock, than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.